without taking much of your time, I'm going to be introducing the ingredients. Here we have banana. We're going to be using this banana to make, let's say, it's a unique puff-puff. So we are making mosa puff-puff. So we are going to be using this banana. Another thing is our puff-puff mix. If you don't know how I make my puff-puff mix, go back and watch the video on how to make it. So we are going to be taking like 2 or 3. You're supposed to have your puff-puff mix in your kitchen, in case if you have an emergency job that requires you to, supply or deliver within let's say 2 hours. So you don't have to start running helter-skelter to gather things. Maybe you don't have all of the things in your house and you start going to the market to buy sugar, or you want to go and buy flour. But if you have your puff-puff mix, it will be very easy for you. What you do is, what you have to do is just, take your cup, take the measurement from here, and boom, you prove it and start frying. So puff-puff mix is for you, and it's not just vendor. It's for every family. This puff-puff mix is also for every family. You have kids going to school every day, you can decide to use it as a snack for them, instead of start mixing this, that. Just take 1 cup and do what? Allow it to rise. That is all. You fry it. So puff-puff mix is very nice. Go ahead, watch the video and make your own. Okay? It saves time. Munching our banana. This is our banana. So this is all that is required for this mosa. Then if you like, you can add fresh pepper. I don't have fresh pepper, so I have dry pepper. So I'm going to be using this dry pepper. This is the mixture of flour, yeast, salt, nutmeg, and sugar. So go and watch the comprehensive video on how to make yours. Okay? So I'll be taking 1 cup from here to make this mosa. So let's dive in. Now, first thing to do is to do what? I'm going to match my. So I'm using 2. So I'm going to use 4 to match it. Like this. If I want to make it faster, then I'll use this. No, it's ready. Then let's take this.
Oh, what's this?
Take your puff-puff mix. Oh my god. I'm going to be taking two cups. So I'll add it. This is dry pepper. I'll add it dry pepper. Like I said, everything is in here. So the next thing now is to mix everything. After mixing it, I'll add my So this is warm water. I want the yeast to activate fast. So we are going to be, because we have banana, I know that this banana will serve as part of the liquid. So we are not going to be putting much water. So after mixing it, I'll cover it and place it on a plate of hot water. The plate of hot water will help you to proof within 30 minutes instead of staying for like 1 hour to proof. So this will help you to proof faster. Within 30 minutes, it has proofed very well. Then I'll now deflate it and set it aside for frying. So we are going to be adding enough oil. It's going to be deep frying. Enough oil. So once the oil is heated, you start scooping it like this. You scoop your drop. So this is how to scoop your puff puff. Scoop your drop. I know it's very simple to do, so I want you to try it out. Try it and tell me what you think about the recipe.